Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. This is your GK period, and as you know, in GK we have completed chapter 3. So, today, through this video, we are going to start our chapter number 4, All at Sea. Okay, the world of seas and oceans is fascinating, vast, beautiful, and rich in marine life. Okay, so in this chapter, we will learn more about oceans, seas. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. So, students, this is the first picture is Pacific Ocean, and in the previous chapter, we had also learned that this ocean contains the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest oceanic trench in the world and has a depth greater than the height of Mount Everest. Okay, now let's move to the next picture. So, this is the picture that is Atlantic Ocean. So, students, the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's oceans with an area about 10 crore 64 lakh 60,000 kilometers square. It covers approximately 20% of Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface area. It is known to separate the old world from the new world in the European perception of the world. The Atlantic Ocean lies between North and South America on the west and Europe and Africa on the east. The Atlantic connects to the Arctic Ocean and to the Southern Ocean to the south. Okay, now next picture is Great Barrier Reef. So students, satellite photograph of Great Barrier Reef situated off the northeastern coast of Australia, stretching for 1429 miles over an area of approximately 133,000 square miles. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. This continent is famous for the Great Barrier Reef. This is Australia, and Australia is famous for the Great Barrier Reef. Now let's move to the next picture, that is Caspian Sea. So Caspian Sea, measured by surface area, the Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland water body. The sea covers roughly 1,43,200 square miles and borders 5 countries. So, the 5 countries are Iran, Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan. Okay, now next picture, that is Mariana Trench. Students, the deepest part of the ocean is called the Challenger Deep and is located beneath and western Pacific Ocean in the southern end of the Mariana Trench, which runs several hundred kilometers southwest of the US territorial island of Guam. Challenger Deep is approximately 36,200 feet deep. Okay. Next is Black Sea. The Black Sea is a marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean lying between Europe and Asia, east of the Balkans, southeast Europe, and students, why is the Black Sea black? The sea was first named by the ancient Greeks, who called it inhospitable sea. The sea got this reputation because it was difficult to navigate and hostile tribes inhabited its shores. Next is Way. Way is a water body that is surrounded or demarcated by land. It is a water body that is surrounded by land on three sides. Waves can be an inlet in a lake or a larger water body. Okay, and this is part of sea or large lake, partly surrounded by a wide curve of land. Next is, and the last, these animals are called the vacuum cleaners of the sea, that is sea cucumber. Students, sea cucumbers are the ocean's vacuum cleaners. By simply eating and digesting food, these squishy sea creatures help keep the ocean clean and even fighting climate change. August 29, 2018, there are about 1,250 different species of sea cucumber across the world's oceans. So students, this is about the chapter that is all at sea. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.